I think it's really important to be able to actually see the stand before you arrive at the venue, so to actually understand how everything goes together. And Quadrant's been fantastic. They've shared the design at every stage of the process. We've had our input, but now it's really great to be able to come and build it in advance so we know where everything goes, we know the product fits, and everybody's been so helpful today to make sure we can do it ourselves when we get to Frankfurt. So myself and my two colleagues have come down here. We're not engineering people, we're not carpenters or electricians, and Greg's done a brilliant job of basically showing us how easy everything is to put together. And the point of sale process was also an absolute pleasure. The designer worked really closely with me. We had, I think, a couple of minor redrafts, but really hit the button on the design of the graphics. And they're so easy to put together but look so professional, so I'm really delighted with the job that Quadrant's done for us. I think Quadrant's really clever, the way he put together a modular design that means you can absolutely fit the space with something that looks purpose-built. So the modularity is fantastic. Everything clips together really easily to give you a really nice, robust structure that looks like it's been custom built, but it's modular. So what's brilliant is we can use the same design again next year if we want to, so that saves us time and money. If we want a bigger stand, it's easy to expand, but keeping the same style. So yeah, really pleased with how everything's gone together. I think that we've got a number of different logos because we're selling various brands and products at the fair. So I was impressed by how quickly everything was taken on board by the graphics team. We just had to send high-res images and they produced everything from scratch in a very, very short space of time. Process really is to try and design cookware that makes it easy for home chefs to produce professional results. So we are attending the Ambiente housewares fair in Frankfurt next week. Our business designs cookware and we have it manufactured in a partner factory, Tiantian, in China. And we're going to Ambiente to present a whole host of brand new designs that you see behind me to try and attract new customers in the UK and in Europe. I think for us, nobody knows who we are. We're a new business to Frankfurt, although we've been in business for 15 years. We've not got out there and presented. We've tended to work closely with retailer partners and selling direct to the public. And I think now we're looking to increase our reach. We're looking to reach new customers in different countries and really start, driving growth. I think we wanted to lay everything out so we knew what it was going to look like in situ. So we're not messing around when we get there, seeing whether things fit, whether we've got the shelving in the right positions, whether we've got the lighting right. So we've spent quite a lot of time arranging everything. We're going to find out whether we can do it ourselves in Frankfurt next week, but yeah, I think we'll be fine. My two colleagues have been taking videos. We've got a video of the whole process, so if we get stuck, we can actually go back to the drawings, go back to the video and see how it goes. But yeah, I think we'll be fine. And the process has been very, very slick and very quick and very painless. Very helpful. I think what's different is you're talking to real people. We've had video calls, and that to me is very important. It's not just communication with somebody who's faced us over email. We've gone through each stage of the process. No unnecessary calls, but very to the point. This is what we need to do. This is the information we need from you. This is the information I need to provide. To say it's been an absolute pleasure to work with everybody. Thank you.